What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be covering the US11 building competition for the month of September. And in this case, we only had 3 submissions, but as usual, we all have some prizes. And in this video, I go over those submissions and I vote on them. This month, the first place prize is going to be a $10 Roblox gift card. Second place prize is just going to be a trophy, and the third place prize a trophy as well. And so let's get right into it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I want to remind you to please share the video, subscribe, and like. I'll see you guys at the end. Caravan. Okay, I like it. As soon as we jump in, we've got some meshes and some camels. Wow, okay, they got bags on them and stuff. Okay, this is looking good. Looks like the trees were kind of randomly generated, because I don't think put trees together like that. These look like they were specifically placed in areas though, so that's cool. Concrete and then sand. Okay, so this is like a sandstone castle. Alright, so we got the castle. It kind of looks like Turkey's flag, like orange and white. Okay. So this kind of reminds me of like the Egyptian stuff. Of course, there's a time limit, so you can't really make interior buildings, but if there were interior buildings, that'd be awesome. We've got attention to detail more so than most maps, so that's good. Things line up, and you know what I'm paying attention to? There's no collision. Parts aren't colliding. That's really good. There are a few more details you could add, things like wagons, maybe barrels, crates, just filler details. And otherwise, it's fine. And we've got another entrance over here. Okay, so it's like a village. It's like a little town village, a small town village. Pop this over here. Okay, or not. We're gonna pop this over here. This month's theme is medieval. Get my calculator because I don't know how to do math. 8.5 2 8 34. So that's 34 out of 40. 34 out of 40. That's pretty good. I rate it like this because Soy made a creation and submitted it, and I don't know. Submitted it in like a few days, I think. So judge my builds. Well, you have to compete at least. You have to compete if you want to win anything. Now I'm putting out prizes, so more people are gonna start competing. So, oh boy. Okay. I thought it was gonna be a lot more at first because I saw the buildings, but it's not bad at all. It is good. It's still good, and I have to say there are more details than the previous one. So, like I said earlier, there's the wagons. The only thing I don't like is that the wagon is floating. I noticed that immediately. It's kind of just standing up on its own. With double wheel wagons, they're always going to be tilted like this. I don't know if he forgot to do that, but it seems like he did yeah, maybe missed a few. Then we got the blacksmith. This is what I was talking about with the other one. It's like more open areas. The other one by Adben, it's good. It's high detailed, but there's not much variation. I don't know how did he do this? Get the magma fit in there? Pretty cool. There's a bit of intersection, but that's still pretty cool. We got some weapon design. Okay, the shield is just a circle. Not bad. Got some barrels and an anvil. Okay. There's a lot of attention to detail as well here. More so than the last one. We got pig feed. The pigs are quite Minecrafty. They're quite Minecrafty. And the previous one will definitely set it apart. As in, these look like Minecraft pigs. The camel in the last game looked like real camels. So the cows are giant. Cows are huge. I know cows aren't this big. I still like it though. Is there anything else? Is there anything else we should look for? Are there secrets in the game? Can we go inside of buildings? Like the last one, they got fruit baskets and stuff. Okay. This is gonna be pretty tight in terms of judging. Let's see. What do we do? Alex Boom Boom. Matching a theme is 10 out of 10. Yeah, you know, there's no way to not match the technicality of creation. We'll do it 9 out of 10. Creativity and uniqueness is where it falls, though. Or no, it falls in technicality. We'll do 7 out of 10 for that, and then we'll do 9 out of 10 out of creativity and uniqueness. And overall impression, I'm gonna have to do a 7.5 out of 10. Alright, let's calculate that. 33.5, dude, that just sets him right under. I'm sorry, Alex Boom Boom. Now I feel bad. This sets him right under. Alright, and then Soy's game. Here we go. We're going to Soy's game. Okay, really? Isn't this the game he submitted last time? Oh my god. Okay, so, well, we have to rate this. We have to rate this. We can't just, like, skip on it. 3 out of 10. Technicality of creation, 1 out of 10. Creativity and uniqueness and style. I'll have to do a 5 out of 10. I've never seen this style. This is a pretty unique style. You know, yeah, we're gonna do 10 out of 10 for creativity, uniqueness, style. It's crazy. Overall impression, 10 out of 10. What's that? 24? 24 out of 40. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's our games. Amazing, right? Oh, wait, there's mine. There's my medieval creation. Okay, now this was made literally in like a week or two, so kind of qualifies. Alright guys, and that's going to do it for this video, this month's building competition. I hope you enjoyed watching the judging and the competitions. I'd also appreciate it if you guys could let me know how I can improve judging these competitions, because I'm watching over it and I'm thinking, man, I need a little bit more energy when I'm judging these things. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you will join the Discord. Link will be in the description, especially if you want to be a part of these competitions in the future. Once again, they happen every month on the 11th. You can find more rules in the Discord in the building competition section. And with that, I'd appreciate it if you also went and subscribed, liked the video, and especially shared it with your family, friends, everyone like that. And so I will see you guys in the next video.